Now, I want that you can watch how the plant is producing the juice into the heart.
Oh,
Okay?
see.
It's important that you know.
Oh, Mito for the beat.
Then you can believe me better, no?
I feel like I'm truly your God. No, sorry. That's it.
Okay, finish.
Fresco.
You will see reproduction into the heart now. That's the empty gourd that I tell to you that we use
Yes,
for
the one on that
sacrifice. Okay. Excuse me, señorita, can we walk? Gracias. Have a seat, please. Close into the heart.
Right side here. Ah, yeah. Whoa! What's it? Yeah.
You know?
See me. Yes, it is.
Okay.
The coconut inside.
Sure, it's
Yeah.
a coconut, a big coconut. I will paint it. Look at this.
Oh,
We have it here in a
hermosa.
pink color,
Mhm.
but we will mix it. Come here. Come.
This is like a sanctuary, you know. I swear. Oh my God.
Not here.
Muy bien.
We will cut the flower of
Which
this
one?
plant.
This one here, yeah?
Okay.
Ooh, be careful.
That's a prickly, no?
Yeah, frequent.
I do every day. It's no problem.
Okay.
Mira.
Yeah.
Now I have any yellow. Just a little one.
Just a bit.
Okay. Some yellow. Mira.
Yes, I can see. Even with the sun,
See?
I can
Sure,
see.
we
Yeah.
can
I can
mix
see.
with a lot.
This side. And something. Hi.
Okay.
Johnny.
You can keep it.
This one. Oh,
Right
that's
now,
us.
I will show to you how we got the obsidian.
Obsidian.
Look at this, big rocks.
Wow.
It's a huge volcanic stones.
Stones,
It's a
yeah.
glass.
Wow.
Natural volcanic glass. I watched before, it's very sharp, it's smooth, it's bright, but it's very complicated for carve because like it's glass, it's easy to break.
Yes,
Okay?
like fragile.
It's a
yeah.
fragile. Now, with obsidian, ancient people made all the tools, all the weapons, all the sharp pieces that you can imagine because they don't use any kind of metal. When they discover obsidian, they start to make arrowhead, rifles, axes, weapons, scalpelos for surgeries, so many things.
weapons, like
Something
weapons,
for shaving, many weapons, stone by stone. After, when they travel, when they commerce with another civilizations, and here, like the Mayas, they will change obsidian by jade, by some tigerite, silex, granite, quartz, and so many hardest rocks. Then, just as with us, they start to make art. They are carving a beautiful mask like this that probably they put on a necklaces or on a headdress or on a bracelet or something for offerings. They are carving some glasses, stones, containers, masks, and so many things that you can watch today at the National Museum of Anthropology.
See.
Important that you watch because we have some variations. Look at this. Obsidian with some oxide iron. Looks like the skin of a jaguar. Right there, a little more red. But we have another that is so wonderful. Look at this. It has a micro bubbles. And probably it has some magnesium. Look at this.
Very
A
nice.
golden.
Bonito.
Beautiful. But I have another one.
Yes.
Okay, I have another piece here. I can give you an idea after I show you inside. Look the color of this. Can you watch it?
Yes. Let's see. Oh, let's
Purple.
go this.
With green. This is the famous rainbow obsidian.
Oh, CB.
All of them are hard, sharp. All of them are bright. All of them. But the work that they made I tell you, it's complicated. Very slowly they are carving. They spend a very long time because they don't have special tools. When the piece is ready carved, they start to polish with sand, with a leather, with obsidian dust. They are. Look at this. Watch now how it changed with the light. It's in a golden obsidiana. But also,
Shiny.
they're gonna make another technique. They put a stones inlay. Look at this. They carve all the obsidian. After they're gonna cut and glue a little pieces of other minerals. Lapislázuli, chrysocolla, malachite, aventurina, turquoise.
Okay, so the different.
Okay, but it's unpolished.
Right.
You can have an idea how it looks if it's really polished. Very bright. The colors are wonderful.
Amazing.
Ritual pieces, jewelry, and so many things. But I want that you can watch this. Look your face. Watch it.
I see it.
That's your face. If you have a time, you can take a long time, and probably you can watch your spirit, your soul.
Your soul.
But also, it's important. The astronomy. The astronomy gonna use our mirror for watching the sun. Come on, try to see.
I see it.
Why is important? Why?
Like
Because they know the equinoxes, solsticios, how when change the time, because it's important for the agriculture. Okay.
amazing.
Can you imagine which is the use
Of
of this
this?
stone?
Let's feel it. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Oh. This feels like it's weird. Don't great. It feels like to open. So like I don't know.
No, come on, give me your bag.
Okay. Oh, yes, good. So good. Oh, bonito. Sí, sí.
Used for clean up energy.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, me encanta. Ooh.
This is the obsidian. This is how we treat. Today we are working with electricity, with diamond, with special tools. Okay, and more people that have a talent and that made a wonderful thing.
Speciality
Then
skills.
here you can watch how it's finished. A replica of original one. In the top you can find to the monkey container. His name is Osomatli. It's a container that they use for many offerings. They put a bucket, they drink a lot on this container. If I move it, look, it's a black obsidian. I'm gonna put at the sun because I want that you can watch the intensity of the color. But also watch it, the profile of this monkey. It's a pregnant monkey.
It's expecting?
See,
Oh my gosh.
look it. It's
It's
wonderful.
so beautiful.
So beautiful.
I can feel it.
How
Hermoso.
they finish something like this?
How long? So,
complicated.
Anton, how long would that, in average, would you know take?
Today,
Have you heard
today
it?
he's at home for weeks, 5 weeks.
5 weeks, right? So that's like 5 weeks.
The
later.
fire, the
fire.
oldest man. Look the color. If I put a light, if I move it, it will be very gold.
Yes, I was just going to
Without a light, looks dark, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Men and all the men. It was used for many rituals to purify and renovation. Each 52 years, long time ago. They finish a cycle of life.
Right.
For start again, they need to be clean. They need to be free.
cleanse. Yeah.
Then also here we can find to the sun god. It is the same than the other ones. That's a golden just, and this is with a lot of stones and shells inlaid. We have to the moon goddess because they are duality. They are men and women. They are life and death.
Yeah.
They are contrast that made it balance. Okay. Then also here we have a pieces from other civilizations like the Mayas. She's the moon goddess from the Mayas.
Okay.